If you DM'd me, hey, I'd pass out. The power I have. We're very popular both with men and women. Hey, I mean, if there are any women out there that are interested, hit me up. Get pumped. I assume you taste, oh my god. Donnie Soul, I assume you are James Charles' sister. People tell me that way more often than I ever expected them to. Hello, my babies. Can I be real with you guys? I don't really know if I like that intro, but I've been doing it for so long that I feel like I can't change it now. Hello, my babies is like my signature, but I'd rather be something more chill like, sup. Maybe not that. Let me know what you guys think below. Should I change the intro or not? Anywho, welcome back to another video, kids. In this video today, I'm going to be answering your assumptions about me. I was reading through some of these and I was like, these are oddly specific and also oddly accurate. I know I'm your mom and all, but how do you guys know me this well? It's like actually kind of crazy, but I guess I really did raise y'all. We're gonna have a good ass time in this video. Grab yourself some anabolic wine or your beverage of choice. It could be water, it could be a protein shake, it could be anything, man. Let's hop right into it, shall we? But first, give this video a like for Earl. Got Earl here. Also subscribe if you haven't already to join the Swole Squad, because we have a good ass time over here, don't we, kids? Everybody in the comments tell the new viewers how awesome of a time we have on this channel. Cheers to that. Let's take our first sip. Should we do like a drinking game? Should we take a sip every time somebody says I assume? Because a lot of them start with this. And by the way, all of these are coming from my community tab, so if you would like to get notifications for when I post things on that way you can be a part of these fun little videos as well, make sure you turn on the notifications. They're also going to be coming from my Instagram, so if you don't follow me on there, what are you doing, baby? What are you waiting for? It's time to give me a follow on Instagram. Follow your mother. Man, I'm sorry, I just gave you so many instructions. Was that too much? Should I start over? No? You're good? Alright, let's get into it, shall we? First one from Lemonade Bay. That's a good name. I assume you're the kind of girl who gets any guy she wants. Oh, we gotta take a drink. You know, I gotta say, this one really boosted my ego. You think so? In that case, I have a couple people I'm gonna hit up real quick after this video. Next one we got from Franklin Jones. I assume that you're a very sociable and somewhat talkative person who always does her best to bring the best out of anyone and everyone. We gotta take another drink because the magic words were said. I think I'm what they call an ambivert, which is a mixture of an introvert and an extrovert. I really like being sociable with people that I click with, but if it's somebody that I'm just like not vibing, I can be a little antisocial. Maybe that's just everybody, man. I don't know. Somewhat talkative. I don't know. I'm more of a listener. It's kind of weird because since I'm on here talking all the time, you would think I would be more of a talker, but I'm not. But I do try my best to bring the best out of anyone and everyone. That's facts. Can't Camp says, I assumed, past tense, I don't think that counts. We're not gonna drink. I assumed initially you were just an attractive girl who commented on all fitness videos for attention, but I now realize that you're a damn fine content creator. Thank you. Who just assumed to comment on everything, but in a positive way. My bad on that, mama. That's okay, Can't Camp. I forgive you on that one. Everybody wants to know why I comment everywhere. It's just because I want to support people, and I truly believe that what you give out, you're gonna get back. So if you're giving out support, you're gonna get support back. Gianna says, you're nice to everyone, even if they don't deserve it. Yeah, I would say that's facts. It's hard for me to be mean. Like, you have to do something really fucked up for me to actually be mean. Sean Mills, I assume, oh, let's go. I assume that you've always been a bit of a weirdo. Well, not a diss though. Being weird is where it's at. And we have a reply here. Let's see what the reply says. J1988, I get what you mean, bro. It's not an insult. Don't know if we're explaining wrong, but yeah, I think the same thing as you do. A bit weird is really cool in a woman. I know exactly what you mean. Jay coming through with the validation for Sean. Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty weird. That assumption is correct. And I don't take it as a diss. I actually take it as a compliment because I think being weird is cool, like you said, Sean. Cody Spikes, I assume, grab your drink. I assume you should have over 100k subs by now, but I guess the people stay asleep. Facts. People stay sleeping on Mama Swole. I don't know. It's all good though. I know it's coming. I know that 100k is on the way. I'm a freaking poet. I didn't even know it. Wow. That rhymed. Jacinda Blair says, you are an independent woman. Yes, the fuck I am. Mr. D, I feel like off camera, you are a very shy and quiet person, but for your videos you like to present a character of the person you aim to be, a fearless, confident girl who loves everything about herself and is a leader. I see in your eyes you feel huge discomfort in being mean or making people uncomfortable, so you always extra careful everyone is having fun in your videos. Facts. I told you guys, these are so oddly specific and accurate, it's like crazy. How do you guys know me so well? I'm trying to not be so shy though. I think it depends on my mood. Sometimes I don't feel like talking to people, but sometimes I'm like, I'm ready to party. Like right now, I'm ready to freaking party, baby. I definitely don't like making people uncomfortable. Yep, that describes me to a T, Mr. D. Once again, freaking poet, I didn't know it. Sheely I'm so sorry. I feel like I'm gonna fuck this up. Sheely Mosu. Hopefully I said that right. I'm assuming that you already have a pink Tesla and you're lying about not having one yet. Oh. Asator says, I assume growing up you were really shy. That's why you try to exit your comfort zone by doing videos with strangers, Q&As, etc. You are doing really good work, by the way. Thank you. Also, I think you're the type of person who won't easily argue back to someone rude, for example, because you are polite by nature, but afterwards you will definitely think about it and what kind of response you could give. How do you guys know this shit? That's so crazy. Also, I think you're the type that gets easily emotional, is truly sensitive, but fight not to show it to others, especially strangers. I don't know, man. I don't know if I'm as sensitive as I used to be, just because you can't be sensitive if you're on YouTube, because people are fucking assholes sometimes. You can't take it to heart, so I don't think I'm as sensitive as I used to be. You're a very positive person, believe in friendship. I bet my ass you don't believe that much in other relationships because someone hurt you. That's so weird. How do you guys know this shit? I'm actually mind blown at the accuracy of these assumptions. Yeah, that is also factual. I think that's also why I'm a little bit harder than I used to be. If I had to guess, and I assume you must have some really spicy drunk stories to tell. There is the drunk story about me pissing my pants, which I'm sure you guys have heard. If you haven't, then you need to catch up on my old videos. My last assumption is that slowly and steadily you will reach your goals, and YouTube and many other aspects. This is the most accurate thing I've ever read. Chris, you are very popular both with men and women. Love you, mama. Aw, I love you too. That's just funny to me. Hey, I mean, if there are any women out there that are interested, hit me up. Come forth. All the women out there that have a crush on Mama Swole, slide in the DMs. Hassan says, I assume celebrating 420 with you would be so lit. You assume correct, my friend. Nilo. Hello, Nilo. I assume you hold in more things than you would care to admit, and sometimes it gets overwhelming. I don't know, actually. Maybe. But then again, like, I have to hold it in because it's a lot of shit. I'd rather just keep them in my journal and with my therapist. Kratos Kraken says, I assume that there can only be one man worthy enough to have you. Well, actually, no man is worthy enough to have me. I'm just kidding. Monster Mind, you only want a guy who works out often, even if he has a busy life, making a good living financially. Yeah, but also I just don't want a guy. I don't want a guy. Fire Emerald 76, I assume you are someone who would want to visit Antarctica one day. Can't say I've ever really had the urge to visit Antarctica, because it's cold as fuck, right? Or am I wrong? But it would be dope to see the penguins. Ah, damn, I just missed. Okay, we're not playing the game anymore. Sorry. I missed too many of them. Vincent Aguilera, I assume you were a popular girl in high school. That assumption is incorrect. I was not. Sanka Pereira, I assume you are one of the hottest ladies on the planet. Thank you. What an honor. What a title. Shea Butter, I assume you get hella DMs because you're hot. Aw, man, y'all are gassing me up way too much right now, but thank you so much. Okay, I'm not even gonna try and front or like flex. I really don't get that many DMs. Get pumped. I assume you taste. Oh my god. What an intense assumption. Donnie's Soul, I assume you are James Charles' sister. People tell me that way more often than I ever expected them to. Do I really look like him? I mean, he's really pretty, so I'll take it as a compliment. All right, let's see what we got on Instagram. Once again, just gonna plug real quick. Give me a follow on there if you don't already. Lewis Mrs. 1986, extremely shy, but if mama needs to kick some ass, look out. Big facts. Chill on the get-go from Geo_Curbs. Thank you. I try to keep it as chill as possible, man. Oscar Penn Fitness, if I didn't know your personality, I would assume you're stuck up. Why? Why would you assume that? Kirdova, if you DM'd me, hey, I'd pass out. The power I have. I have so much power. Oh my god, you guys, we ran through those quick. Thank you so much to everybody that left a comment and an assumption and decided to be a part of this video. That was really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And like I said, make sure you turn on the post noties and follow me on the gram so that you can be a part of the next one. Because I really like making these videos, you guys. I love making videos where y'all are involved. I like involving the community here because we're a freaking family. You guys are my children. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe to join the Swole Squad, comment below the word Yoda. I really don't know why Yoda. That was the first word that popped in my head. So Yoda. If you'd like to support me on Patreon for just $2 a month, the link is in the description. Shout out to all my patrons. I love you guys so much. You can also support me on Venmo, Cash App, or PayPal. Link is also in the description. I have workout programs on mamaswole.com, so definitely go check that out. I also have merch. It's all in the link in the description below. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good ass day. And the Swole comment of the day is this comment right here. For a chance to be featured in the next Swole comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment below.
How to get my weight up, yeah. Weight in the cake up, yeah. Turn up in the gym, know I'm calling Mama Swole. Bad little shawty and you know I'm on a roll.
Press like an empress, no one to impress with. Find me on the guest list. Got that Louis V necklace. Subscribe to the Mama Swole channel. Even if your name is Randall. Got it lit like a candle. Watch me swerving in the Lambo.